Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to update iOS in your iPhone. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to connect a good internet connection in your iPhone, and then you just need to open your phone settings. Right now select General, and then you can find the option Software Update. Just open it. So right now you just need to wait. If there have any update, you can see here is checking for update. You just need to wait couple of moments. So guys, right now you can see there have a iOS 18 point on, and it's on point 8 on GB. So you can update it on your iPhone. There have two options, update now and update tonight. You can select any option. If you update now, then your update already started right now. If you select update tonight, then it's started today's night. So this is the way to update iOS in your iPhone. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.